Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Interview Question. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is user, business hours and IP address, page layout and mini page layout, record type, public group, queue, data import wizard, data loader, OWD, security control. What is user in Salesforce? Users are employees at companies such as sales representative, managers and IT specialists who need access to company's records. Every user in Salesforce has a user account, one license, one profile, and one role. Can we delete user in Salesforce? Once user created, it can't be deleted. What is difference between freeze and deactivate? Freeze means user can't log in to account and license is still in use. Deactivate means user can't log in to his account and license will give back to organization. What is business hours? These are days and hours during which support team is available. Business hours are of two types. Organization level, it is applied for all users in the organization. All users can log in only during business hours. Users logged in business hours can continue to work even after business hours but cannot create new session. Profile level. When we want to define different set of login hours for a group of users, then we will define profile level login hours. What is IP address? It can restrict users to log in into their account based on IP address. There are two ways to restrict organization level. In organization level, all users can log in only from a given range of IP address. Profile level. If we want to restrict IP ranges for a group of users, then use profile level. What is page layout? Page layout defines how we are representing data to users. It will specify controllers how an object should be displayed in the profile. By default, for every object, one default page layout is created. Page layout controls which fields should be displayed on the UI, in which order they should be displayed, in which format they should be displayed. List things that can be customized on page layouts. We can customize fields, buttons, custom links and related lists and can also create sections. What is mini page layout? Quick view of record is mini page layout. A mini page layout contains a subset of the items in an existing page layout. What is the use of mini page layout? When we keep cursor on a record, pop-up window displays quick view of record. If page layout is assigned to a profile, corresponding mini page layout will come. What is record type? For an object based on the record type, we can show different fields and different picklist values by assigning different page layouts for the record types and profiles. After creating the record type on the record type detail page, user can see all the picklist data type fields. User can edit the picklist and decide which values should display for this particular record type. If we want to assign more than one profile, we will use record type. Record type are controlled by the profile. Based on record type, we can control options in picklist field. What is public group? Public group contains the set of users to whom we can share the records. We can create any number of public groups in the Salesforce organization. Public group can contain users, other public groups, roles and subordinates. We can add set of random users in the public group. We can't assign public group as an owner of the record. What is queue? In queue, we can add group of users and we can assign the objects to the queue. After creating the queue, one of the list view automatically created on the objects which are selected for the queue. We can assign this queue as the owner of the records objects which are selected for this queue. Later, users who are part of the queue can claim the ownership by navigating to list view corresponding to the queue. What is data import wizard? Data import wizard can be used to import, update and upsert the data using built-in declarative wizard. Data import wizard is web-based tool to process bulk records. It supports standard objects, lead, account, contact, opportunity, product, price book, event, task, user, solution, campaign. It will support all custom objects. With Data Import Wizard, we can process maximum of 50,000 records. In Data Import Wizard, we can't see few objects. For example, if there is master detail relationship between two objects, then child object we can't see. What is Data Loader? Data Loader is a client application for the bulk import or export of data. It is an ETL tool provided by Salesforce to perform insert, update, upsert, delete, export data from Salesforce to external system. The same can be done from external systems to Salesforce. 5 million records are supported by Data Loader. Most of the time we can use only Data Loader. Default batch size for the Data Loader is 200. Data Loader supports .csv file format. What is organization-wide default? OWD is default access label of records for any object in Salesforce. By default, after creating custom object, OWD access label is public read-write. Private. Only owner and above hierarchy users can have read-write access, and below hierarchy users don't have any access. Public read-only. Only owner and above hierarchy users can have read-write access, and below hierarchy users can have only read-only. Public read-write. Irrespective of role hierarchy, everyone can have read-write permissions on the records. What do you mean by security model in Salesforce? Salesforce provides a comprehensive and flexible data security model to secure data at different levels. In Salesforce, data is stored in three key constructors to secure access of object, field, record. Object level security similar to table in database, field level security similar to columns in table, record level security similar to rows in table. Security model of Salesforce. Object level security, field level security, record level security is divided in OWD role hierarchies, sharing rules. Sharing rules further divided owner based sharing, criteria based sharing, manual sharing, apex based sharing. Thank you.